Street food, vibrant, aromatic, tempting. A symphony of flavors explodes in your mouth, a cultural tapestry woven into every bite. From the sizzling woks of Bangkok to the bustling food stalls of Mexico City, street food offers a unique culinary adventure. But beware, dear adventurer, for this culinary expedition can quickly turn perilous. Behind the enticing aromas and vibrant colors lurk potential dangers, invisible enemies waiting to wreak havoc on your digestive system. The very nature of street food, often prepared and served in open-air environments with varying hygiene standards, makes it susceptible to contamination. Like a game of culinary roulette, each delicious morsel could harbor hidden threats, turning your gastronomic gamble into a feverish nightmare. Imagine yourself in the heart of a bustling city, the air thick with the intoxicating aroma of spices and sizzling meat. The vibrant energy of the market is palpable, with vendors calling out to passers-by, each stall offering a unique culinary delight. You've decided to embark on a 24-hour street food odyssey, your stomach rumbling with anticipation. The excitement builds as you navigate through the maze of stalls, each turn revealing a new and tantalizing option. The day starts innocently enough with a steaming basket of dumplings, the savory filling warming you from the inside out. The delicate dough and rich flavors set the tone for the culinary adventure ahead. Next, you're lured by the smoky aroma of grilled meat, succumbing to a spicy chicken skewer, its charred edges promising a flavor explosion. The heat of the spices dances on your tongue, leaving you craving more. As the day progresses, you sample a colorful array of dishes, each more enticing than the last, your hunger momentarily silencing any doubts. From sweet to savory, the variety is endless, and each bite tells a story of its own. Little do you know, however, that each delicious bite is a gamble, a potential step closer to an unpleasant encounter with foodborne illness. The thrill of the adventure is tinged with the risk, making each choice a delicate balance between indulgence and caution. As the day fades and night descends, a creeping unease settles in your stomach. The once pleasant warmth transforms into a churning sensation, a dull ache spreading through your abdomen. The initial signs are subtle, a whisper of discomfort easily dismissed. But as the hours tick by, the whispers escalate to screams. Nausea, like a tidal wave, engulfs you, leaving you cold and clammy. Your stomach, once a vessel of culinary delight, rebels, demanding immediate evacuation. Diarrhea, relentless and unforgiving, becomes your new reality, a cruel reminder of your culinary gamble. Headaches pound like a drum, your body aching as if you'd run a marathon. Section 4. The Science of Suffering Understanding Foodborne Illnesses. What you're experiencing is your body's desperate attempt to expel the unwelcome invaders, bacteria, viruses, or parasites, that have infiltrated your digestive system. These invaders can enter your body through various means, often through the food you eat or the water you drink. These microscopic saboteurs, often lurking unseen in contaminated food or water, multiply rapidly in the warm, nutrient-rich environment of your gut. They thrive in conditions where hygiene is compromised, making street food markets particularly vulnerable. As their numbers swell, they release toxins, triggering the unpleasant symptoms collectively known as food poisoning. These symptoms can range from mild nausea and stomach cramps to severe vomiting and diarrhea. Different types of bacteria like Salmonella and E. coli each have their signature weapons, causing a range of symptoms from mild discomfort to severe illness. These bacteria can be found in undercooked meats, unwashed vegetables, and even on the hands of food handlers who neglect proper hygiene. In severe cases, dehydration, organ damage, or even death can occur, a stark reminder of the potential dangers of unsafe food. It's crucial to be aware of these risks and take steps to protect yourself, such as ensuring food is cooked thoroughly and practicing good hygiene. Section 5. Safeguarding your street food feast, tips and tricks. Don't let this cautionary tale deter you from experiencing the joy of street food. Street food is an integral part of many cultures and offers a unique culinary adventure. While the risks are real, a few simple precautions can dramatically reduce your chances of an unpleasant encounter. It's all about being mindful and making informed choices. Look for stalls with long queues and high turnover, a good indicator of fresh food. Popular stalls are often popular for a reason. Observe the vendors' hygiene practices. Are they maintaining cleanliness and following good hygiene protocols? Are they washing their hands, using clean utensils, and storing food properly? These are crucial signs of a safe eating environment. Pay attention to the food itself. Does it look fresh? Is it cooked thoroughly? Trust your instincts. Fresh and well-cooked food is less likely to cause issues. If something feels off, it's best to move on. Your gut feeling is often your best guide in these situations. Remember, a little caution can go a long way in ensuring a safe and enjoyable street food experience. Enjoy the flavors but stay vigilant. Please like and subscribe for more content.